In this video, we are going to discuss how we can share data to all our views. For example, in here, I have three views: one welcome, contact us, and about us. If I want to pass a data to all my views, I can do like this. For example, here I can say product as a computer and pass this here with a compact or using array. So compact and product. Now I have to do exactly same to the all views. Paste it here, paste it here as well. Let's fix this compact. Now let's copy this also and paste it in this. Finally paste in here as well. Now to access them, I can go to my view and I can just h1 tag. Then inside here, I can access it by curly bracket, $sign, and the name of the variable. Let's close our h1 tag as well. Now, if I go to the browser, refresh, sorry, to the welcome page, I get the variable. Then if I copy it to the contact us as well, copy, paste, and the about us also. So let's paste it like this. Now let's go back to browser, type here contact us. I got my variable. So imagine if you have like 50, 60 or 100 pages. You have to do this exactly same thing to the all of them. In Laravel, we have a better approach for this. We can create a shared data so all the views can access it. For that, we have to go to inside our app folder, providers, and app service provider. Then inside the boot method in here, we can type view share, then pass the key. For example, the key will be the product and pass the value. So the value is computer. And don't forget to import this class as well by holding the control key and pressing the space. It will show the list of all possible classes. In here, just select this one from the facades, enter. The IDE will automatically import this. Now, eh, we don't have to type it in the routes, so let's remove them from here, and these ones also the compact. Now in the view we don't have to change anything, and if we go to our browser, refresh the page, we still got our variable. And if I go to another page, I get my variable computer. Now if I want to change anything, I just have to change it in the one place. So in the state of computer, we can type PC. Now let's go back, refresh. I got PC. So this is the one way that we can share data with all the views. If you don't want to share it to all the views and you want to share it with just a specific views, we can do that also. So let's comment this out, and instead of this we can type view composer, then the view name. So I want to pass only in for the welcome page, so welcome view. Then the callback function, so function, and pass the view as a parameter. Then inside this function you can type $view with, and now you can pass your key in here. So in the key is product and the value is PC. That's it. Now let's save. Let's go back to the browser, refresh. I got the PC. Now if I go to contact us, in here we will get an error undefined variable product, because this variable is only shared with the welcome page. But if you want to share it with all, you can use this method. Or if you want to use this method, you, instead of welcome, you can just type here star. Now if I go back to the browser, refresh, now again all the page views can access it. See, and instead of this, let's go to about us. I got the PC. Using this method, also you can also pass some complex logic as well. For example, instead of only as variable, I will pass a array. So first I will create my array in here. Products is equal to all the names of products. So PC, computer, maybe mouse, like this. And instead of PC in here, I will pass my array. So now in the view, to access the array, I will create a for each loop. So add for each dots and products as product. Then I will add this here. So let's cut it from here, and in here let's type h1 product. Now let's close this and fix the spelling of our this product. Okay, now if we go to the welcome page, I can access all the list of my products. So undefined products. Ah, here not product, here we have to type products. Okay, now let's save everything. Let's go back to the browser, refresh. Now I got all the list of my products in here. So this is how we can share data with all the views in Laravel.